Welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. I'm going to make my last analysis about Bitcoin using Elliott and Fisher indicator. And for the introduction, I wanted to say that my series, which is Bitcoin day trading, Elliott, and this one is episode number 6, is just starting. But I already get on my channel scammers. By scammers, I mean people who try to scam you out of your Bitcoin. So they recommend a different trading system and promise huge returns. For now, I leave the comments, but you must be clever enough to understand that 90% of the comments you will read and the recommendation of people's will be direct scams. And if you listen to them, you will lose all your money. It is not a question of if you will, but when you will. And it will be very fast. You will lose all your money extremely fast. Trading is a tough game. It's not for everybody. I'm giving you a trading system that works if you know how to play it and if you are psychologically ready for it. But most people are better off just investing instead of being traders. And if you trade, at least do it correctly. That's why what I offer you on my channel will help you to trade as a trader should be trading instead of just gambling your money away. Because I give you high probability trades, and if you do your risk management correctly, then there's a chance that you survive and prosper. But if you listen to scammers or if you don't understand what I'm doing, then it's not for you. First, let me to screen share. First, you should know what you are doing, and if you need any help with that, you always can reach out to me. So that's my disclaimer, please read it. And that's my risk management, please read it too. The link for my webpage is in the description. And if you want to reach out to me, you can click on service. And I always do one-on-one coaching. Right now I have a 60% discount for my fees if you're interested. So that's always a possibility. Learn how to trade correctly, and then you can prosper. But if you listen to scammers, or you just gamble instead of being trading, instead of having a system and following that system, there's no chance that you will survive in the market as a trader. So I would recommend to you to learn how to invest and use 90% of your money investing. You can start with 10% of your portfolio and allocate it to trading if you want to learn and see how it goes. Because if it goes good, then you can put 20% of your portfolio into trading. But most should be invested. Should just be holding Bitcoin. Okay, that's for my introduction. Now let's look at the charts. Here we have the 5-minute chart of Bitcoin, and as you can see, we did with this weekend we had correction, last correction here, and we recovered from that correction. Now, for the count, and the first drop was an ABC, which was an ABC. And the second, and then I saw wave 1 and a wave 2. Some people will label it differently. They will see a triangle here. They will put wave A, B, C, D, E, and then a drop after wave E. But I see 5 waves in wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's why I keep that count for now instead of going for the triangle. But even if it's a triangle, it's the same thing. Just you start wave where you are not at wave 2 here, but you will start wave 1 here. For your stop loss, I would still keep that level, although you could put it up to this level. So I would still keep 39,573.21 for your first stop loss, but you can put it up now to 40,693.27 if you wish so. I for now would keep it at 39,573, but you could put it up. Why is that? Because my stop loss actually, well, this is 39,573 is a stop loss, but I would exit the market prematurely if I get two things. One, Elliott giving me a bearish outlook, and now it's bullish. But if I have a bearish outlook on BTC, then I would okay, I'm just looking because I want to be able to draw on my chart. Now it should be possible. So let me put myself here and the drawing, or let's do the opposite. Okay. Sorry, I have some technical issues. So now it's an I'm still bullish for my outlook because I see here wave 1, wave 2, and now I'm waiting for wave 3, 4, and 5. So I'm bullish on my outlook. As long as I stay bullish for my outlook, I would keep my position. It is all, and my ultimate target is the moon. So I'll keep my position as long as Elliott wave stays bullish. I will exit my position when Elliott wave goes negative and we get on the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, Fisher turns negative. So here we now went positive again for Fisher, because as you can see, there's a green triangle here. But if we get a red triangle as we had here, for example, as we had here, yeah. So if I have a red triangle as we had one here during the correction this weekend, so if you get a red triangle like this and Elliott wave goes negative, then I would exit my position. But for now, I keep it because I'm fully bullish. I have Fisher is bullish, and Elliott says that we are going up, since my count is now 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So I'm fully bullish for now. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, the key level we have to make is this one. So the 45,8 level, 45,008, that would be bullish, and that would be a confirmation that the uptrend is really, that we're really having an impulse wave. That would be confirmation of that. And on the 3-hour chart, well, no, I'm doing the opposite. I said the 5-minute, but that was the 3 hours. So on the 3-hour chart, it would be 44,844. If we get through that level, it would be confirmation that the impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on the way. And on the 3-minute chart, it would be 45, as I told you. Those are the both levels that I'm looking out for. And my stop loss is still at 39,573.21. Okay, that's actually all for today. I'll see you tomorrow for an update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon, so that when I post a video, you get it as soon as possible, because this is time-sensitive information, and it is only useful for you if you have it as fast as possible. So as soon as I'm done recording this video, I put it on YouTube, and it must be consumed as soon as possible after me posting it, because in 5 or 10 days, it will be useless information. So you should watch it as soon as possible, as soon as it comes out. Okay, stay tuned. I see you tomorrow for an update, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.